Bigger and 5K.
Sir, tama yung number dito, sir. Active na rin.
Only one color for the earbuds?
Yes, ma'am.
Straight yan. 9.5 na din.
International.
Bye. Ganyan na lang. Dala ka pang process ngayon, eh?
Sorry. Ay, my face. You cannot ano na anymore, babe. The bend here in center. There's no ano na. Like like this one. Like this. Like this one. This one there's no ano. So, okay. Yeah, compare, babe.
The thick. The side. Compare the side.
Ah, yeah. I need to.
About the same.
Yung magnet po ito.
That's the difference, is the screen.
Yeah.
Close so they can see it. No, you want to turn the front screen on.
Ah, okay.
And then the other one, the front screen on the other one.
Alright. Oops, sorry. I need to ano. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see it.
And then your freebie. Take out your freebie.
Really.
Case.
This one is good.
On the top. Don't put it yet because I will put the screen protector. And then this one says you don't slide the case off. Read the directions here. Because you cannot slide it off. You'll destroy it.
This is really good.
No.
This okay.
The freebie's in here.
Ay, the freebie pala. Ito pala yung freebie.
Other side.
Ayaw pala. Ano lang. Hihintay siya eh.
Open. Oh, it's the regular, it's not the pro.
This one.
Yeah. It's okay, it's still good.
Yeah. Sige lang, freak. Hey.
And then your, show the other box, yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need to take it out, it's just anti-reflective. I need a scissor. Or maybe I don't.